Hello, this is Mike with SkipperBud's in Bay City. Today we have a 2015 Crownline. It's a 264CR. Both in great condition. Comes with a nice aluminum trailer, tandem axle. It's got a Bravo 3 outdrive, trim tabs. It's got a nice swing back lounger. It's got the bench bolster seat. It's got a little sink. Some extra cooler down here. It's got a nice microwave, refrigerator. It's got the camper enclosure down here. This boat does have air conditioning. And it's got a nice head. It's a great family boat. If you have any questions, please call Michael at SkipperBud's in Bay City.